Ano ba dapat aralin pag nasa networking business ka? If you're planning to enter networking business or if you're already inside but still feeling lost, listen carefully because today I will share with you the most important things you need to study and master. First, let's start with mindset. In networking, your mindset is your strongest asset. You must understand that the business is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term business. You will hear a lot of no, a lot of rejection, and sometimes even discouragement from people close to you. Pero kailangan mong tandaan, hindi lahat ng tumanggi ay laban sa'yo. Minsan, hindi lang sila ready. Your job is not to convince everyone. Your job is to develop yourself until people are convinced by your improvement. Second, study your product. You cannot sell what you don't understand. Learn the benefits, how to use it, who needs it, and what problems it solves. Kapag kabisado mo ang produkto mo, hindi ka kakabahan mag-present because confidence comes from knowledge. Third, understand the compensation plan. You don't need to memorize every detail, but you should understand the flow. How do you earn? How does your team earn? How can you help your people grow? Mahinang leader ang hindi naiintindihan paano kumikita ang negosyo niya. Fourth, learn the skill of communication. This business is a people's business. You must learn how to invite, how to share, how to listen, and how to follow up. At huwag kang maging pilit, hindi ito bintahan sa kanto. This is relationship marketing. Ang goal mo ay connection, not pressure. Fifth, personal branding. People join people, not just companies. So work on how you present yourself online and offline. Fix your social media profile, your posture, your words, your attitude. Tandaan mo, ikaw ang unang image ng negosyo mo. Six, learn content creation. In today's digital world, you must study how to create value content, whether it's reels, videos, stories, or live sessions. Your content should educate, inspire, and attract your target audience. Hindi kailangan perfect. Ang kailangan mo lang, consistent. Seventh, leadership development. As you grow, your team grows. So you must study how to guide people, motivate them, and support them. A true leader doesn't command people. A true leader inspires people. Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng malakas na team, kailangan ikaw mismo ang unang maging matatag. Lastly, time management and discipline. Networking is freedom business, but freedom with responsibility. Set daily activities, create schedules. Be consistent kahit walang nanonood, kahit wala pang resulta, because success is built in silence before it is celebrated in public. So if you want to win in networking, don't just work hard. Study hard, improve harder, stay consistent the longest. Dahil sa negosyong ito, ang hindi matalino ang nauna, kundi ang hindi sumusuko. Ikaw ba? Anong mayroon na karakter sa mga binabanggit ko? Comment below.